General Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shopping Fun. Welcome everyone. Let's go shopping. We need a lot of things every day. To buy these things, we go shopping. You can go shopping in a mall or a market or even an exhibition. To buy teddies, dolls, and games, you can go to a toy shop. To buy taps, pipes, nails, and tools, you can go to a hardware shop. To buy milk, curd, ghee, and butter, you can go to a dairy shop. To buy clothes like dresses, pants, etc., you can go to a costume shop. To buy biscuits, cakes, and yummy pastries, you can go to a bakery shop. To buy face cream, lip balms, talcum powder, perfume, and shampoo, you can go to a cosmetic shop. To buy groceries like vegetables, fruits, rice, wheat, oil, and sugar, you can go to a grocery shop. To buy medicines, you have to go to a chemist shop. Now that you know where to get everything you need, make sure to help your parents the next time you go shopping.